Good day, my name is Shaul. I work for Micrographics, and we can be found on the web at www.mgfx.co.za. Right, so the purpose of this video tutorial is to just discuss a product called SANSCalc Desktop and just a small short tip that has come up recently through a number of clients that has highlighted this. And so let's get into it. Alright, so SANSCalc is a energy efficiency calculator. If you're not aware of the software, you can visit www.SANSCalc.co.za for more information. Right, so in this file that I have created a building with some stories, and I'm going to focus on level 2. It's got some rooms set up. Each have got an area, and it's got certain allowance, and these values we need to be heading towards, but not exceed them. Right, so if I go to the fenestration elements, or the windows, you've got all the windows, and all their details are already completed. However, the tip that I want to discuss is if we add or edit one of these entries, the values that you set on the left are used for the calculations that's done on the right. Now, as you can see, the tooltip that appears at the cursor, it says please create your work from left to right to make sure that the calculations work. Now, a common mistake is the following. Basically, if I change one of these values to say 1.5, and notice the values here is 1.39 and 23. If I just click out, it updated up to here, but it hasn't updated all through to the right hand side. If I want to have it update to the right hand side, I have to set up these two values as well, so that it uses this information through the calculation of these two to get the result. So if I now change this to the same as what it had been, a low E, and I select this one, and I go and say this should be aluminium still, you'll notice as I now click out, you'll see that those values have been updated. So when you do any edits to the values on the left hand side, make sure that you change both the glazing and the frame type, and once you've done that, the calculations will update on the right hand side. Right, so that's basically, in short, just the tip that I wanted to get across, and basically that will ensure that your calculations on the right hand side has always been updated. Right, thank you for watching.